What up, YouTube? I know. J-Dub here, and I know. I have not posted a video in a long time. I apologize. I feel awful that I haven't done anything, but I really haven't been doing anything that constitutes a video. Had a baby back in February, and I think I've mentioned that on a prior video, and of course this whole COVID thing is not working out for anybody. I was quarantined for 2 months, which I probably should have got a bunch of stuff done, but because of the circumstances with having literally a newborn at the house, that didn't really happen either. So I apologize, but I have a video for you today. So basically what's happening is I am getting an awful noise coming from my blower motor. I'm almost positive it's the blower motor. We're going to find out for sure, but I'll give you a quick idea of like what it's doing, okay? So I'll just turn the key on real quick. Listen to this. Oh, it sounds terrible, and it gets louder as you go up. Okay. So that's basically what's happening. Luckily, I have a spare blower motor here that came out of the old Neon. Like I said, it worked really well when I parked the car, so hopefully there should be no reason why it shouldn't work now, unless of course just age wasn't kind to it, I don't know. But we're gonna find out, guys. So basically this is a how to install a blower motor on a 2nd gen Neon, 2nd/3rd gen, depending on how you want to look at it. Basically 2000 to 2005, okay? So let's get into it. Hey guys, if you like this video, please remember to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. It really helps me out, and I appreciate every one of you guys. All right, onward. All right, guys, so basically you're going to go under your passenger side of your dashboard here, okay? And this is the blower motor right here. This is essentially what you need to replace. Now, it's held in with 3 screws. One here, one here, one there, and then way on the far back side, if you could see it without the wire in the way, there. Okay, now literally you're gonna have to do this by feel. There's no real good way to do it. I recommend undoing the back one first. I believe it was a 5/16. Okay, undo that one first so these hold up like this, because if you undo these first, it's just gonna fall, and it's gonna be really hard to get that screw out even further. So let's get the last screw out and let's pull her out. All right, guys, now you just got to kind of jiggle it out to get that out. Okay, spin it a little bit, whatever you got to do. Not sure what happened here, fellas, but it's definitely not sounding good when I spin it, so I'm guessing the bearing went out. I know what I've seen happen in the past is, I've seen things in the past, basically, maybe a mouse or something get in there, and what it does is, the weight throws off the balance of the wheel, or the cage, ironic cage, and that can mess up the bearing. It happened to me in my last car, did not find a mouse in here, so I don't know if it got in there, shook him up really bad, and he got out. I don't know. But the point of the matter is, we've already gotten this far. We've got it out. Basically, we're going to go ahead and change it out. And, yeah. All right, guys. Now, this is going to determine a little bit different between everybody. I have a plug style for... You have to unplug that from under the harness, under the thing there. I know some of these do not come with a replacement plug style. You almost have to cut wires, and thankfully I ordered one that did not have, on my last Neon I did not have to do that. It was just plug and play. I recommend that so you don't have to splice wires, but that might be a little bit different on the one you get from AutoZone. Also, the cage is removable, okay? So if you can't get the cage off, which some of these are seized on there. There's no way you're getting it off. I would say get one with a cage already on top of there. Alrighty, guys, let's put it back in. Take that extension off. I like to get them started just enough. Well, that didn't work. See what I can do with it now. All right, so let's get them all restarted. Now this is the part that sucks. Right there. Alright guys, I got the last bolt in there. It's pretty tight. I'm going to go ahead and firm these up really well just to make sure that this doesn't go anywhere. Let's see if I can get an extension on that one. Alright guys, that is in. Alright guys, let's see, let's turn the blower motor on, see if it's working. Here we go. Alright, that is working, okay? It still has a little bit of a hum down there, but I'm not going to worry too much about that, guys. I think, honestly, I need this basically for Monday for work, so if I have to, I will buy a new blower motor if necessary. But like I said, that's basically the installation of a blower motor for a Neon. It's really easy. The biggest thing is that third bolt on the back of the blower motor can be a pain, but it's pretty straightforward. That's all there is to it. Undo the 3 screws, undo the electrical connection, put the new one in, reattach the 3 screws, replug the connector, make sure it works. That's it. So I appreciate you guys watching this video. If it helped you out or if you have any comments on something, let me know. I always love getting back to people in the comments. I appreciate every single one of you guys who have supported me and been encouraging and everything else with this channel. Like I said, it's not quite as far as long as I'd like it to be, but you know, baby steps. So anyway, if you guys have any questions or anything, leave a comment down. Let me know what you guys think. If I did something wrong or you don't understand why I did something, please tell me. I'm not perfect. I admit that to anybody, okay? So that's going to do it for this video, guys. Like I said, please subscribe if you haven't already for more updates and videos. Like I said, I'm really hoping to get some more work done to the Neon, mainly because we have a lot of suspension work to do to it. I got to do a tune-up on it. I'm going to make videos of that, hopefully. So I really hope to have those out to you guys within the new year. Yeah, because it's, you know, one day. Anyway, but I hope to get those videos out to you guys because I've heard a lot of people have commented on these videos, especially the Neon ones, and like, oh, you helped me so much. I appreciate that, and that's really cool, and I like to do that. So, like I said, guys, hit the thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, leave a comment if you have any questions or anything, and I will see you guys next video. Bye.